Okay, I'm going to show you all what I think is the best opening move, or first couple of moves for the first player, which is on this side of the table, and for the second player, which is on that side of the table. So the first move to do would be this one right here. All the cups start with 4 marbles. By starting here, you get to do a combo or get a second move because you start with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last marble adds in the Mancala, so you get to go again. We'll go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next move that I like to do is this one right here for several reasons. The first is that by emptying this cup, I have an empty cup here that I am able to potentially move the marbles in either of these cups such that the last one lands here. So let's say I go for this one, right? On my subsequent move, there's 4 right now, so it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. If I land on an empty cup and this cup is empty, I get to steal all these marbles. So player number 2 is gonna try to stop me. So the marbles that were in here, there was 5, right? So I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the end of my turn. My last marble landed over here. Now player number 2, their best move will be this cup here. Similar to my cup number 4, their 5th cup is the best one because of the extra marble that I dropped in there. There's 5 marbles now. So if you start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this player gets to go again. This is where it'll be hard for this player to appreciate this move, but their best move is probably to empty this cup. Reason being, this player is going to grab these marbles here, land here, and end up stealing all these, right? So if this player tries to do the same thing that this player did, and they grab these here, they'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They did deposit 2 marbles here, so now we're going to have to move to this cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, that's an empty cup, which means all this goes to this player. And you can see that this player is off to a very strong start. We're gonna put these back. Okay, I think I got it all pulled back together. So the move would not be this one, to not copy this player. Instead, we're gonna go and move these to prevent the steal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this point, player number 1, their best move is to clear this cup and start setting themselves up for combos. And I'll explain that here in a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. This player has a number of moves. The strategy gets a little complicated. They're free to just kind of do whatever. Let's assume that they do this one. 1, 2. So now this player, this is where it starts to get really good for this player. They got, 1 marble here. Anytime you have 1 marble here, that's the first move you always do. And you get to go again. I would go for this cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This player can do whichever move. Now this player over here, again, has got 1 marble here, which is nice. That's a free Mancala, and you get to go again. And this is where it starts to get really good. You got 1 here, 2 here. Now you'll get a double combo, right? So you'll go 1, 1, 2, 1. Again, every time your last move is in here, you get to go again. So the benefit of clearing out these 2 cups is that anytime you get 1 in there, on your subsequent turn, you get a free point, a free Mancala, and then you get to go again. What you really want, ideally, would be something like this, where you have 1 here, 2 there, then 3 there, because you'll do 1, 2. And so you get to move, you get to collect a lot of marbles, and that's what you're trying to set up for by clearing out this cup early in the game. And then subsequently this cup, and then eventually this cup, and so on and so forth. This player, the more advanced strategies we'll get into the next couple of weeks.